like to call it like a lighting mod. I'm gonna change out these old yellow light bulbs for some LEDs I ordered. They're off of eBay, so they were pretty cheap. I think it's the whole kit for the whole car for like 13 bucks.
So basically my mic stopped working here.
How they work?
I was just saying that I pulled on the panel to make it come down, and you can see from behind where the little black tab is where the light bulb goes. You just twist it and pull it out, and that way you can change the old bulb for the new bulb. On this clip, I show you guys the finished product of the LEDs in the front of the car. And basically what I say is that I know they're not that bright because they're just like cheap LEDs from eBay, but they are way better than the yellowish stock light bulbs that the car had. And I also noticed that after a while of the lights being on, they get brighter. As more time goes by, they get brighter. On this clip, I say that the rear license plate lights are one of the lights that get me excited to see a change. I don't know about anyone else, but when I see a car with like bright ass LEDs in the back where the license plate goes, that kind of to me it looks cool instead of having like the yellowish ones. So here I'm gonna change the rear license plate lights. You need a flathead to move the little pin and slide out the little box where it goes. Twist the light bulb and then pull out, and it'll come out, and you install the new one. Here I'm telling you guys that the car is very dirty, and that it's been like that because I haven't driven it in a while. I have the car in Mexicali because I needed to use my brother's truck to move some stuff, so I left it over there for the time being. Next, I am showing you guys the difference between the new LED and the old light bulb. Moving on to the trunk and showing you guys that the wheel fitment on my car is not that great right now. I am going to try to roll the fenders on the next video, and I'm also trying to order some flares. Not that much of a wide flare, just wide enough to make the car look better, because the fronts are kind of like hitting on the fender and it's fucking up my tire. Okay guys, so new day. Last night I stopped recording because I thought that the kit of the light bulbs wasn't complete. Well, it actually isn't, but I thought I was missing all the bulbs for this back part. Turns out I'm just missing that one. See, I already changed this one. I changed the one in the middle too. Let me open the door. Changed that one. Oh crap. And for this one, I think they just sent in like the wrong one, because this little round thing isn't supposed to be there. Well, it's not like the one I put in here. So I think this is the only incorrect one that I have now. I am just not sure. I have a bunch of these like left over, and I do not know where any of them go. I don't know if they go like in here. I really doubt it, because I don't think these change color. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I probably just put them away until I find out where they go. But yeah, man. Almost all the car has the LEDs inside, and I'm just gonna have to like try to find if I can order one of these, like just a single one. I don't want to buy the whole kit. There's some people here in Baja that sell like individual ones, so I might try to look for anyone who sells them. But yeah, man, that's it for this video. I'm gonna have another video coming out soon. I hope you guys like the content. If you guys like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe, or comment, whatever you guys want to do, share, anything. And yeah, man, that's it. I hope you guys have a good day. Yeah.